kami ng Thai food. Yan. Yan. Ready Thai food. Yan. So, kakain kami ng Thai food. Pitaya Thai street food. Pitaya Thai street food. Ito lang kasi Asian food dito eh. Dito kami ganito kami mag-usap. Ayan, Google Translator. Yan. Ganyan kami mag-usap. Tapos, mag-uusap na naman kami ng... Teka lang. Ay! Sorry. Again. Like that. Okay. Yan. Usap. Oh.
Qui t'a dit que le porc était mauvais pour le cœur?
What's up? I told you pork was bad for your heart. Me and the doctor. Mali. Me and the doctor. Kanya kami mag-usap. Hindi rin ako nakakita ng French eh. Onti lang yung basic French. Kanya siya mag-usap. So, i-check out Google Translator. So, first is that rather than any other need. Otherwise, our doctors will tell us what you're doing. Yes, actually control or discipline. Actually, control. Sorry. Actually, control and discipline, the doctor said. Like that. Yes. But I decided not to eat. Oh, there.
Okay.
Diba? Lupit, diba? Yan ang high-tech. Google Translator kami. Ano lang? Nawala. It's lost. Yes, correct. You need to work on your cardio. It's good, yeah. Tama ka dyan, tama. So, natin na lang namin yung order. Thai food. Gutom na kami. Ang tagal ng Thai food. Thai food sa France. Nagpunta talaga ako ng France para lang kumain ng Thai food eh. Para maghanap ng Asian food. Hindi ko kinakaya ang fries, hindi ko kaya ang burger everyday. I need Asian food. Ito, gutom na rin ako. Kakainin. So, parehong chicken yan. Dahil gutom na kami, hindi na kami magmumukbang. Ito yung pagkain natin. So, kain na kami. Bon appetit. Yeah. Na-miss ko ang pagkaing Asian. Oh, di ba? Ganyan kami. Magkausap pero may translator. Guys, FYR. Walang kutsara sa France. Tinidor lang o kaya knife. Yun lang. Tinatanong ko siya, bakit ng mga tao dito hindi gumagamit ng spoon? Sagot niya, the spoon is just used for eating soups or pasta. Oh, di ba? Weird, no? So kahit nasa Asian food kami, spoon din. Kasi wala namang sabaw, kaya walang pasta. Okay. Okay. Metropolitan.
Send the money. Little this. Send the money.
Is it real?
The
You take it. Is it real?
yes,
It's real?
yes.
Are you real? If I put money, you dance up. You will dance.
In the bag.
You will dance. Oh my God. You will dance up. No. Not moving. Not moving. Bakit?
Maybe it's not enough money.
My God, not enough money. I know, there's a lot of people who give money. Not enough? Oh my God,
It is a fact.
you're finishing my money. I have no more money.
Maybe thyroid. It is a thyroid, maybe.
I saw this.
Your phone is
But
blocked.
I'm curious. I'm curious. I'm curious. It's good. I already give €1. I €2. Oh, now your eye is blinking. You want to? Why so fast? Bye bye. Bye.
It is
Let's go. Inside.
yes.
Okay. I think, is it going to the pyramid? I think it's going to pyramid. I went there already. Museum. What's this again yan? Museum, ano?
Musée du Louvre.
Musée, ah? Musée de Louvre. Julu. It's nice. This one nice. It's good. Wait. Yan. My French friend. It's good. You climb like a Spider-Man. One. The Notre Dame. Okay, it's so close to The pyramid. Okay. Amazing. Wait.
It is a duck.
Correct. Yeah. This one, no? It's amazing. Look. So I'm going to Notre Dame. That's a Notre Dame. Nauna yung tour guide ko.
It's okay. No, movie. Okay.
So it's closed. It's closed. It's closed. Notre Dame. Hindi siya Notre Dame. Okay? Wala pa kami sa Notre Dame. Papunta pa lang kami Notre Dame. My God. Loko-loko tong siyan eh. Sabi Notre Dame daw yan eh. Hindi pa pala. Na-excite lang din ako. Kala ko Notre Dame yun eh. So amazed earlier. I thought it was Notre Dame. My God. It's not Notre Dame. Pangalan ng building. Papunta kami Notre Dame. So we are under the bridge. Nice bridge. Look, oh. Very nice tunnel. Nice. Pagod na yarn. Pagod na yung tour guide ko. Nakakapagod din maglakad. Papunta kaming Notre Dame. Pero kailangan mo munang nakabayan itong mga ito kung ayaw mo mag-metro. Okay. Haba. Oh, napakahaba lang nilakad. Okay.
With the boot.
This one?
Same.
Ah.
Same.
Okay, I see.
Attached boat.
Tour guide. Mr. Yan Pascot. Lakad dito pala. Puro lakad. Pero maganda naman yung nilalakaran. The best naman. Puro ano nga lang, hagdan, stairs. Yun. Lakad ulit, akyat. Lakad ulit, ganon. So, dapat sanay ka sa lakaran. See? Lakad ulit. View. Hindi ako prepared sa araw na to na puro lakad ang gagawin namin kasi super lakad, puro lakad. Yung tour guide ko nandun na, nauna na ayun na, yun yung tour guide ko, nauna na dun. Puro lakad. Yaka pa? Yaka pa?
Yaka pa?
Yeah.
I don't understand.
Kaya pa? Yaka. No, not swimming. Not swimming. I'm gonna drown there. Okay. Here. Not sure kung anong building to. Pagoda. Pagoda na ako. Sobrang pagod na ako. Maglakad. Puro lakad ngayong araw. Mag-stair pa yata. Nakikita ko siya packet na ng stairs. Tingnan nyo. Ayun na siya. Oh my God. Another akit sa lakad. Lakad. Taas na. Oh no. Lakad ulit. Sige, lakad pa more. Isa. Ayun na siya, nag-aantay yung tour guide ko. Oh my God. Ang sarap ng hangin. Nasaan Lupalok na tayo? Nasaan Lupalok na tayo? Where are we? Diba, may artist dito. Sa Notre Dame na? Sure?
Sure.
Hindi kasi ako familiar, pero alam ko napagdaanan namin yan nung college ako. Pero mukhang ito na nga yun. Mukhang ito na nga. Worth it naman yung lakad. After kumain, gutom na ulit ako. So this is the one.
Because it's under renovation.
Yeah, under renovation.
Yes.
What company is
After
this?
the incendie.
What?
3 minutes.
Okay. What's this? It's a Notre Dame, currently closed. will be open around December. So, December, no? Who's that? I don't know. Okay. A lot of horses, huh? It's under renovation. So, balik na lang tayo kapag na-renovate na. Okay, for now, yan ang nakakura niya dito. So, ito yung plaza na lang. So, ayan. Going to Saint Chapel. Inside. So this is the Saint Chapel. Center. This is good. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Central Paris. Okay, so lots of restaurant na rin. Metro. Yay. Isang metro na. Ay, napagod din yung tour guide ko. Ito na. Metro. Yeah, metro. It's a toiletry also. Oh. Everywhere meron sa Paris. Yeah, see? So, ang ganda nito, very ano siya, useful sa public. I find it very useful, this one.
You shower.
Really? Oh, Oh, this is cool ah. It's in the public eh. Everywhere.
You can go.
If you open,
It's okay.
really? Sige nga, open mo nga. Open mo. It's not opening. So it's clean now. Oh, look oh. This is how it looks like. You see? It's amazing. No? I just want to see. It's amazing ah. And there is refilling water. Refill, pwede mo siyang i-refill yan. And then may soap red. Pwede ka rin magpugas. It's amazing. Amazing. Good, good, good. It's amazing. Amazing restaurant.
And beautiful.
Yeah. It's pink. So much pink. It's going to rain. It's going to rain. It's going to rain.